So today I'm going to be starting an experiment. I'm going to be trying to make my own milk duds using the Elkmasters. What I'm doing is I'm going to take one, measure it, and then I'm going to soak it for 24 hours using just a regular 2% milk. So I'm going to take this reading, 6.3 millimeters, soak it for 24 hours, and then I'm going to press it using my press tool. And then I'm going to try to get it back to the 6.3, and then I'm going to install the tip, see how it plays. Maybe it might be too soft getting it at 6.3. So here we are.
Why are you hugging me? Don't touch me, okay? No, look. If I had time, I would have been... It's okay. Get in there. Come on.
So I let the Q-tip pressed for 24 hours. Most of the milk was squeezed out. Then I left it and it was at 6.1. And I was going to let this dry because it still felt wet. It seemed to expand again, 6.5. So I'm probably going to have to press it a little bit more, a little bit longer. So right there would be my 3/4 turns. You know, I probably would just play it safe, and maybe next time I'll try a full 4 turns. So I've taken the tip out and it seems to be staying at 6 millimeters. I don't think it's expanding anymore. So yeah, we're at a 4% less than the original size. So I think I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to install the tip next. So far my milk dud experiment has turned out just fine. It does play like a medium, but it does have some stiffness to it. So the Elkmaster tip, I did measure it at 6.3 millimeters. After soaking, I measured it at 9.4 millimeters. I gave 4 turns altogether, and then I got it down to 6 millimeters. 6.3 to 6.0, that is a 4% difference Yeah, in the near future, I'm going to be trying more of these experiments. I would really like to try an Elkmaster alone, just without this whole process, just to see how an Elkmaster actually feels without doing anything to it. Overall, the Milk Dud that I just finished, it seems to be just fine. It plays well. I did miscue a few times with it. That's probably because of I was trying to apply too much draw or trying to use too much English. So that was probably most likely my fault. So trying this Milk Dud experiment, I think it's worth it, and I think I'm going to continue trying these. Milk Dud, I give them a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any more questions. Just drop them down below. We'll see you next time with more experiments.